Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to make a summer green juice filled with a lot of mint, green apples, lime, ginger, half a cucumber, a handful of celery, and a head of kale. So it's quite green, but very, very delicious. And I'm listening to some, I believe it's Norah Jones in the background. So we'll see how it goes with a bit of music. But I always like cooking with music, so this is like the real thing if I was cooking at my house without you guys. But you're here, so I'm making you a part of it. So I'm going to turn this on and start juicing it. Now, for some reason, my juicer hates kale. Juicing kale. It's weird. I almost have to like stop it so it can chill out before I can like go again. Voila! It's like the easiest thing to make. 2 seconds. Like that. Then you pour it in. I like a mason jar. And it's so pretty. It smells really good. If you wanted more mint, you could always like put your juice with some and put mint in the jar itself, and that would probably taste a lot more minty. There you have it. It's good. And if you're new to drinking like green juices, you could always add green apples or like lemon, which will help sweeten it up a bit. And I think this is pretty good. So I'll do a little close-up for you guys. So pretty. So yeah, I don't know if you saw that splash, but it splashed quite a bit. So have yourselves a great day, and I hope you subscribe to my channel for more recipes in my kitchen. Have a good day, guys.